You sell yours and keep yours. Eh? Esther, go and do a shower. Now a shower I do. Take the way I did. Now husband I kill. Start killing one. Still buy early up. Buy early up. Make you take money. You want to be like me, right? Buy early up. Buy early up. Bam. If you buy him, say you're not rich. Come a bastard. Buy him. I want you to buy early up. I'm telling you, if you buy early up, me and you go become best friends. Ah, guys, are they leaving me anything? Touch you didn't write anything. You would think I'm angry, right? Uncle Sam is a very nice person. He tried to write me since I was unable to reply, and then he thought I was angry. He's a very nice person, as in he's trying. Not everybody is not perfect. Nobody is perfect, but he's trying on his own way. You know? He's trying on his own way. Everybody have their bad and good side. Hey, because we are doing a lot of freeze today now, and if we don't shoot content with Uncle, I might think I'm angry. I didn't really think about content with him today, and I don't have any content.
I have to write him first. Maybe I should write him so I just want to spend 2 days
I don't know.
with my family or
It will look like somehow, Mabel.
yeah.
Because I told him last time on Sunday, but because he thought I'm angry, and then I just told him to come. Let him just come. Okay. I'll manage. Maybe all of us will cook my go McDonald's. And then we'll play the game. We'll play the game, then all of us. So I'm done now so that I can start with the game. Go first of all buy myself coffee.
I'll follow you.
You just want candies?
No, we already have candy at home for the second time.
Okay. Dun, 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 dun. So guys, it is what it is. I've said a lot today. I know some people will get it twisted. Me, I not send. It's better I talk, you get it twisted. It's your life. Don't care what you get twisted. I don't care where you play my voice. It can never be worse than having a husband blackmail a wife. So you can't do worse than what I have experienced in my life. Play my voice, write what I not talk and wait till I talk. You not consign me. I still speak my mind. I don't care. So I don't care what you say. Now your mouth you get. If you like, you condemn me. If you like, you speak good about me. It's okay. Don't care. If you like, you insult me. I don't care. As long as I will not insult you. I don't know you from Adam. Why should I insult somebody maybe say I don't know? See this person just use anger. They come, they fight for in boyfriend. They fight in boyfriend. Why? A wife or ex-wife for money. Some people not get shame at all. He say culture say you are not supposed to forward your bride price back to any man. But culture says you can insult your sugar daddy's wife. Culture say you can insult the stepwife. So culture say you can move into a married man's house and be kissing him on social media. Culture said it, but culture didn't say I can return my bride price with a bank, through bank. But culture, your culture tell you something different. Your Igbo land culture tell you are a disgrace to Igbo. So disgrace to that country, that place where you come from. Just they fight for money. Hey God, I don't know what to talk about. Your boyfriend or your sugar daddy wife, now you they fight, say bring money. Now you they try to correct. There's something she said there. She said, in don't know saying they wasting time since saying they fight mad woman. I got to say, hey, now you they get the picture. Saying don't know saying they fight mad woman. Saying don't know say in they wasting time. So Esther, no money, eh? Somebody called me a few days ago saying that he's begging for me to give him 14 million. That I should please give him 14 million and then I will carry the property. I don't have any single money for you and Esther. Don't beg me for millions of naira. I can't give you even 2,000 naira, Seth. How can you be asking me for 14 million naira so that I will take over the land? But baby boy, they asked me for 14 million. They asked me for 14 million. I want to give you kobo. May you say, me, now that one you they promise Esther. Say, Esther, no worry, fight her. Insult her. She not get mind. She not get body for insults. At the time you insult her, she will release me. You don't know me at all. You don't know me. Quand they carry her, they kiss her, they do like small pikin. So that he go pay me. I go say I don't want to have anything with this man. Take documents. Land maybe say you reach 60 million naira. Make I give you for free. 60 million. So anybody go buy that land. He's saying 32.5. I'm not selling for 32.5 million. You have yours, I have mine. I'm not selling for 32.5. I'm selling it for 60 million naira. And that money needs to be forwarded into my account. I will give you what I will give you if I'm giving you. If I'm not giving you at all, you sell yours and keep yours. Eh? Esther, go and do a shower. Now a shower I do. Take the way I did. Now husband I kill. Start killing one. Still buy early up. Make you take money. You want to be like me, right? Buy early up. Buy him. If you buy him, say you're not rich. Call me bastard. Buy him. I want you to buy early up. I'm telling you, if you buy early up, me and you go become best friends. Hey, wait. Esther. Buy your hobby. Buy your hobby. Buy now. Husbands are the buy. You buy your.
My people, wahala dey o. How we take reach here? How we take reach this area where we dey so? Where Mabel for come dey reply to earlier wife, that is her ex-husband wife, say make the lady kpai the husband because the woman wants to be like her, so she needs to kpai her husband to be like her so that she go also get money like her. Say na olosho akuna na im she do for Europe o. If the girl still enter Europe or she fit go Lagos go dey do akuna too. My people, this matter is strong o. Wahala no dey finish o for abule. Oh, I wanna be. You don't know wetin dey behind that I wanna be. Oh, never you pray to be like anybody or your friend. Just be yourself. Try your best and leave the rest for God Almighty. My people, make una no fail to like and share this video. God bless you all. Kiss, kiss. Bye bye.